A bowl of hot and sour soup is the perfect comfort food for a cold day. This soup is bursting with flavors and warms me up from the inside out. Hey everybody, it's Lynn with Elias Family Kitchen. Today I'm going to make hot and sour soup. The name says it all. It is spicy and tangy and delicious. This recipe is easy to make and it's tastier and healthier than the restaurants. Let's get started. First, let's bring a quart of low-sodium chicken or pork bone broth to a boil. Grate half a teaspoon of ginger into the broth. I'm using homemade pork bone broth. Don't forget to check out the link for this easy 4-ingredient pork bone broth recipe. While the broth is heating up, let's prep the soup ingredients. Woodier mushroom is a black fungus that has no flavor but has a crunchy texture. They're usually sold dried like this and need to be rehydrated before cooking. Soak a handful of them in warm water and set aside. They only need a few minutes to get rehydrated. If you can't find them, simply substitute or even omit it. It won't affect the flavor of the soup. Next, dice up 4 ounces of fresh shimeji mushrooms into half-inch pieces. I'm using a combination of Shiitake, white button, and king oyster mushrooms. You can use any type or any combinations of fresh mushrooms you want. We need 1 package of silken tofu. Take a small knife and run along the edge of the container. Remove the plastic wrapper on the top. Drain the water. Flip it over on a plate. Gently squeeze the sides to release the tofu from the container. Slice the tofu on the plate into about the same size as the mushrooms. This will make it easy to transfer the tofu into the pot. Squeeze water out of the soaked woodier mushrooms and then discard the water. Chop them into small pieces. They're really fun to cut. They like to dance around when you cut them. Crack up 2 eggs and beat them up until they're well blended. For seasoning, we're going to need half a teaspoon of salt. You may need to add more or less salt, depending on how salty your broth is. To balance the flavors, we'll need half a teaspoon of sugar. We'll also need a 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of regular soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of Zhenjiang black vinegar. This is the brand I use. This black vinegar has a unique tangy flavor that gives the soup its signature sourness. It is a must-have, so don't substitute this. We will also need 2 teaspoons of Douban Jiang. Douban Jiang is a spicy bean paste that adds an earthy, spicy flavor, and it is what gives the soup its hotness. This is the brand I use. It is seasoned with Sichuan peppercorn. You can substitute with other types of Douban Jiang. Just keep in mind that different Douban Jiang gives the soup a different flavor. And finally, we need 3 tablespoons of cornstarch with 4 tablespoons of water to make a slurry to thicken the soup. Now that we have all the ingredients ready and the broth is boiling, let's get cooking. It is really fast and easy. Add the woodier mushrooms and tofu, then bring it to a boil. Add the shimeji mushrooms. Then add the seasoning ingredients: soy sauce, vinegar, Douban Jiang, sesame oil, salt, pepper, and sugar, and give it a stir and bring it to a boil. Slowly drizzle in the beaten eggs while moving the ladle in a circle in the pot so the eggs will be dispersed. Mix the cornstarch and water together to make a slurry. Mix well until there are no more lumps of cornstarch in the water. Add the cornstarch slurry to the pot while stirring. This will ensure the slurry is distributed evenly so you won't have lumps in the soup. Once the soup is boiling, it is ready to serve. This is delicious on its own or with a side of rice or noodles. Feel free to customize it by adding chicken or pork to it. You can also adjust the amount of Douban Jiang to your own spice preference. Enjoy, and thanks for watching. I'll see you next time with more delicious food.